In this step, you're going to take the base, take 8 M3 into 10 screws and screw them into these holes around the outer rim of this circular base. So you're going to take a screw, put it in from the underside, flip it over, take a M3 into hex nut and screw that nut down. So the screw goes in from this flat side and you put a hex nut from the opposite side. To tighten this, simply hold the hex nut with your finger and use the screwdriver to tighten it a bit. There's no need to over tighten. Now repeat this step for every hole around the outer rim. There are 8 in total. And there you have it. You have 8 screws and hex nuts on the outer rim of this base. As an additional optional step, you can see these slight indentations, 4 slight indentations. You can use these bumper pads, which are basically rubberized stickers, and place them and stick them in each of these indentations. This is optional, but it might just give Pico a better grip and protect the surface that he's sitting on.